How great thou art, so holy that you only see the heart. Very kind, precious, and righteous, that no matter what, you just love us. Your love is truly undefined, beyond our comprehension. A God of our time and before, the omnipotent one that all should adore. No matter how you're feeling today, no matter what you're going through, God is still great. When you're tired, He's still great. When you're confused, He's still great. When you're hurting, He is still good. The Bible says in Psalms 103 verses 2, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all His benefits." Sometimes we focus so much on the struggles that we forget the blessings. We forget the protection. We forget the prayers that God has already answered. Even in our lowest moments, God has not changed. His goodness is not based on your circumstances. His greatness is not shaken by your storm.